element. Again, as I reiterate my previous statement, no matter you have the best brands, if your reporting is weak, I personally feel there has to be a very serious look over it and try to change the discrepancies what is happening. Teleradiology now is coming into the play. For the reason is a lot of subspecialties have been getting added, and this could eventually add up to the value of imaging. Project management, again, right from the equipment purchasing, installation, monitoring, licensing, accreditation. There is again a huge different chapter altogether. I would just add at this moment, it's no more just the brands anymore. It's the new technology which the medical supplies are coming with, the warranties, the services. They all play a very important role when you're trying to look at a project equipment purchasing. Installation monitoring, again, please leave it to a professional consultant who can take care of this. So this is not, again, our jurisdiction. And then licensing and accreditations. Consultancy, again, is, as I said earlier, is a feasibility study before you set up a diagnostic center. It's very, very important to go in and have a very professional consultant so that he makes sure where you are going to locate your diagnostic center, what kind of equipment would help in that particular facility. A lot of things need to be taken into to be considered before you take up this LIP, because it's a huge investment, I could say, and it's the center core of any hospital medical facility. Modality-specific study, as I said again, is on the specific equipment which you like to buy. Then workflow plans, which I'll show you how it goes. Information technology is, again, a very important element now, considering the very rapid advancements going on. To start with, the image archiving setup is very, very important right now, considering we all are going paperless. There are PACS systems, there are mini PACS, there are major PACS. It's no more a prohibitive cost where a pack could cost you, say, $500,000 or $1 million. You have $5,000 mini pack available right now for 2 terabytes. So I think the whole concept of storage and archiving has changed. Secondly, advanced workstations, as the radiologists who are sitting with me would definitely agree on this, makes a huge difference when you could have a supplementary support from computer-aided 3D reformations, overlap of CT MR as we do in PET CT in various things. So I personally feel as a radiologist it has helped me in various circumstances. Third, disastrous recovery, which is very important, which people generally neglect. They generally don't consider it's a redundancy program where you need to be sure when you have it's a technology, end of the day. Nobody is very sure what could happen tomorrow. So we have to have a backup plan. This is very important, that you have the RATs and the hard copies, so that this also is a very valuable asset to any institute. Like the recent Japan earthquake, you'd be very surprised. Half of the imaging centers which were completely